This is gonna blow your mind. Getting an IT certification doesn't mean you're ready for cybersecurity. Let's dive into why. Imagine you want to be a soldier. You take a course, pass an exam. Does that mean you're ready for combat? Not quite, right? The same goes for cybersecurity. Sure, an IT certification is a great start, but it's just that, a start. Cybersecurity is a fast-paced field that demands hands-on experience. You need real-world skills like identifying threats and managing attacks. That's why career-focused, on-the-job training is a game-changer. It gives you practical knowledge, boosts your confidence for interviews, and helps you craft a standout resume. So don't just rely on a piece of paper. Dive into career-focused training and get the skills you need to thrive in cybersecurity. MyProven Academy is the one-stop shop for all your career-focused cybersecurity training with relevant hands-on experience. Ready to level up? Click the link below for more info and start learning now.